Today is our review lesson number 10. Number 10, and our lesson today is about reading comprehension with different types of houses, rooms in a house, household objects, use and there is, there are, and prepositions of place. Are we ready to do some reading comprehension? Excellent. Very good. Okay, so we are going to read different stories, okay? And you have to answer the questions. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, story number 1. Excellent. Story number 1. Sam lives in a small apartment. In the living room, there is a sofa and a table. The table is in front of the sofa. There are 2 chairs next to the table. A lamp is on the table and a book is under the sofa. Where is the lamp? Option blue, on the sofa. Option purple, on the table, and yellow under the sofa. Where is the lamp? The lamp is very good on the table. Very good. Remember to leave your answers in the chat so we can check your answers before I discover it. Okay? Excellent. Okay. Question number 2. We are still in story number 1, but question number 2. Is the book on the sofa? Yes or no? Is the book on the sofa? What does it say here? The book is under the sofa. So, is the book on the sofa? No. No. Okay. There are 3 chairs next to the table. Is that true or false? There are 3 chairs next to the table. True or false? Very good. It's false. Excellent. There are 2 chairs. 2 chairs. Very good. The book is the sofa. The book is very good. It's under the sofa. Excellent. Okay. Are you ready? Yes, for question number 5, sorry. Okay. Number the objects in the order of appearance in the story. ¿En cuál orden aparecieron estos objetos en la historia? Okay, number the objects in order of appearance in the story. Number 1, lamp, table, or book. Which one is the number 1 in the story? The lamp, the table, or the book? Very good. Number 1 is the table. Excellent. The table is in front of the sofa. Very good. Number 2. Excellent. The lamp. A lamp is on the table. And finally, number 3, the book. The book is under the sofa. Excellent. Well, now that you know how the questions are, let's continue with story number 2. Okay? Excellent. Story number 2. Lucy's house has a big kitchen. There is a fridge next to the sink. On the table, there are plates and cups. Lucy likes to cook. There are 2 chairs in the kitchen and a small table in the middle. Let's answer question number 1. What is on the table? Plates and cups, a fridge, or a chair? What is on the table? Very good. Plates and cups. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Okay, question number 2. Does Lucy's house have a small kitchen? Yes or no? Does Lucy's house have a small kitchen? Yes or no? No, very good. Lucy's house has a big kitchen. Very good. Okay. Let's go for question number 3. There is a big table in the kitchen. Is that true or false? There is a big table in the kitchen. Is that true or false? It's false. Very good. It says there is a small table in the middle. A small table. Very good. Okay. Excellent job. Next question. There are in the kitchen. Let's see the options. 3 chairs, 2 chairs, 5 chairs. There are, very good, 2 chairs. Excellent. 2 chairs. Excellent. And number the objects in order of appearance in the story. What is number 1 in the story? The table, the fridge, or the plates? What is number 1 in the story? Very good, the fridge. And number 2 in the story? Very good, the table. And finally, the plates. Excellent job. Let's go for story number 3. Are you ready? Very good. In Peter's bedroom, there is a bed, a desk, and a chair. The desk is under the window, and the bed is next to the wall. On the desk, there is a computer, and under the bed, there are some toys. What is under the bed? What is under the bed? A computer, toys, or books? Under the bed. Very good. Toys. Excellent job. Are you ready for question number 2? Yes? Excellent. Okay. Is the desk next to the window? Yes or no? Is the desk next to the window? No. Okay. The bed is under the window. Is it true or false? The bed is under the window. Is that true or false? It's false. Very good. Okay. The desk is the window. It's under the window. Very good. Okay. Let's number the objects in order of appearance. Number 1 in the story is the bed. Very good. Number 2 in the story, the desk. Very good. And number 3 is the computer. Very good. Excellent. Let's go for story number 4. Story number 4. Maria lives in a small house. In the kitchen, there is a stove, a fridge, and a table. The table is in the corner, and the fridge is next to the stove. On the table, There are 3 apples and a bottle of water. Where is the fridge? Where is the fridge? Is it next to the stove, under the table, or in the corner? What's the correct answer? Very good, excellent. Next to the stove, very good. Next question, is there a bottle of water on the table? Is there a bottle of water on the table? Yes, very good, yes. There are 5 apples on the table. Is that true or false? Very good, it's false. Why? Because there are 3 apples. 3 apples, very good. Okay, the table is in the middle, corner, kitchen. Where is the table? The table is in the corner. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Next question. Number the objects in order of appearance in the story. Which one is number 1? The stove, the fridge, or the table? Number 1 is, very good, the stove. And which one is number 2? Number 2 is, write it in the comments, write it in the chat. Very good, the fridge. And number 3 is the table. Very good. Okay. Are you ready for story number 5? Excellent. And when we finish story number 5, we are going to play a game. Okay, are we ready? Very good. Story number 5. In the living room, there is a big TV on the wall. The sofa is in front of the table. There is a coffee table between the sofa and the TV. Under the table, there is a magazine and a remote control. Let's answer the question. What is under the table? What is under the table? A TV, a magazine, or a chair? Write it in the chat. Very good, very good. A magazine is under the table. Very good. Question number 2. Is the sofa next to the TV? Is the sofa next to the TV? Is yes or no? No, very good. The sofa is in front of the TV. The remote control is on the table. Is that true or false? The remote control is on the table. Is that true or false? It's false. Very good. The remote control is under the table. Very good. Next question. The coffee table is the sofa and the TV. Under, between, or next to. The coffee table is, what's the correct answer? Very good. Is between the sofa and the TV. Excellent. Okay. Next question. The last question for story number 5. Number the objects in the order of appearance in the story. The sofa, the coffee table, or the TV. Which one is number 1 in the story? Write it in the chat. Very good. The TV is number 1 in the story. Number 2 in the story. Excellent, the sofa. And number 3 is the coffee table. Excellent job until now. Very good. Now let's go for the second part of the reading comprehension activity. Are you ready? Are you ready for story number 6? Okay, everybody, let's read it. Story number 6. Jack's house has 3 bedrooms in Jack's room. There is a bed and a desk. The bed is in the middle of the room and the desk is next to the bed. There are 2 chairs in the room and a lamp is on the desk. Question number 1. Are you ready? How many bedrooms does Jack's house have? How many bedrooms does Jack's house have? 2, 3, or 4? Very good. 3 bedrooms. Excellent. It's in the first sentence over here. Excellent. Very good. Question number 2. Are you ready? Yes? Very good. Is the bed next to the desk? Is the bed next to the desk? Yes or no? The bed is in the middle of the room and the desk is next to the bed. Very good. Excellent. Yes, the bed is next to the desk. Excellent. Okay. Question number 3. There are 2 chairs in Jack's room. Is that true or false? There are 2 chairs. Is that true or false? It's true. Very good. There are 2 chairs in the room. Excellent. Okay. Next question. The lamp is the desk. The lamp is under, on, next to the desk. What's the correct answer? Is on the desk. Excellent. Very good. Next question. Number the objects in order of appearance in the story. Are you ready? Very good. Okay. Number 1 is the bed. Very good. Number 2 is it's the chairs. Very good. Excellent. And number 3 is the lamp. Very good. Let's go for story number 7. Story 7. Sally's apartment has a small balcony. There are 2 chairs and a table on the balcony. The chairs are next to the table. Listen, the chairs are next to the table, and there is a plant on the table. Sally likes to sit on the balcony and read. What is on the table? What is on the table? A book, a plant, or a chair? Very good. That is a plant. Excellent. Okay. There are 2 chairs on the balcony. Are there 2 chairs on the balcony? Yes or no? Are there 2 chairs on the balcony? Yes or no? Very good. The answer is yes. Excellent. Next question. Sally likes to sit on the balcony. Is that true or false? It's true. Very good. She likes to sit on the balcony. Excellent. Next question. Are you ready? The chairs are the table. The chairs are under the table, next to the table, in front of the table. What are the chairs? The chairs are next to the table. Very good. Excellent. Now let's put the objects in the correct order. Number one, the table, the chairs, or the plant. Very good. The chairs. Number two, excellent. The table. And number three, the plant. Excellent. Very good. Now, let's see story number 8. Are you ready for story number 8? Very good. David lives in a house with a big garden. There is a tree in the middle of the garden and a bench next to the tree. David likes to sit on the bench and read books. There are flowers under the tree. Question number 1. Sorry for the question here, there is a mistake. Where does David like to sit? Where does David like to sit? On a bench. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Question number 2. Does David live in a small garden? Does David live in a small garden? Yes or no? No, he lives in a house. Very good. Next question. There are flowers under the tree. Is that true or false? It's true. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Next, there are flowers. The tree. There are flowers. Very good. Under the tree. Very good. Excellent. And now put the objects in the correct order. Number 1, bench, flowers, or tree? Which one is number 1? Very good. Tree. Excellent. Okay, number 2. Which one is number 2? Flowers. Excellent. And number 3 is the bench. Excellent. Story number 9. In Alice's bedroom, there is a bed, a bookshelf, and a chair. The bookshelf is next to the bed, and there are many books on it. There is also a small table in front of the window. Alice reads books on her chair every night. Where is the shelf? Where is the bookshelf? Next to the bed, under the bed, or in front of the window? The bookshelf is very good. It's next to the bed. Excellent. Okay. Next question. Does Alice read books every night? Yes or no? Very good. Yes, Alice reads books on her chair every night. Very good. Okay, next question. There is a small table under the window. Is that true or false? Is that true or false? It's false. Very good. There is not a small table under the window. Yes, it's in front of the window. Very good. There are many books. The shelf. Under the shelf. In the shelf. On the shelf. Excellent. Very good. On the shelf. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Now let's put the objects in the correct order. Which one is number one? The table, the bed, or the bookshelf? Number one is the bed. Very good. Number two is the excellent, the bookshelf. And number three is the table. Excellent job. Good job. Now we're going to read story number 10. Are we ready? Excellent. Tom lives in a house with 2 bedrooms. In his living room, there is a sofa, a TV, and a coffee table. The TV is on the wall, and the coffee table is in front of the sofa. Under the table, there are 2 magazines. Now, what is on the wall? A TV, sofa, or a picture? Ah, very good. There is a TV on the wall. Excellent. Are there magazines under the coffee table? Are there magazines under the coffee table? Hmm? Yes, there are 2 magazines under the coffee table. Very good. The coffee table is next to the sofa. Is that true or false? Is that true or false? It's false. The coffee table is in front of the sofa. Very good. Okay, now let's complete the sentence. The TV is the wall. Is under the wall, in front of the wall, or on the wall? It's on the wall. Very good. The TV is on the wall. Excellent. And the last question for the last story. Number the objects in the correct order. Number one, it's the TV, the magazines, or the sofa? Very good. Number one is the sofa. And number two is excellent job, the TV. And number three, the magazines. Excellent job, everybody. That's all for now. Excellent job.